LinkedIn is a goldmine for anyone doing B2B when it comes to finding high-quality clients and partners. But how do you get thousands of leads flowing in? In today's video, I'll introduce 7 LinkedIn automation tools that help you generate quality leads while saving time and effort. First, we have to mention PhantomBuster. This is one of the most popular automation tools for LinkedIn. PhantomBuster provides various scripts, allowing you to automate multiple workflows on LinkedIn, such as extracting leads, sending messages, scraping profile data in bulk, and more. The interface of PhantomBuster is quite simple and intuitive. They also developed an extension to help users connect their LinkedIn accounts. For example, if you want to extract data from users who interacted with a specific post, you just need to paste the post URL. New accounts get a 14-day free trial and 5 free script slots. If you hit the limit, you can delete old scripts or upgrade to a higher plan. PhantomBuster pricing ranges from $70 to over $400, with a 20% discount on annual plans. Additionally, PhantomBuster runs on the cloud 24/7, so your automation continues even when your computer is off. The second tool you should consider is LinkedIn Helper. This is a software, so you'll need to download and install it to use. Some of the most notable features of LinkedIn Helper include sending connection requests and follow-up messages, exporting LinkedIn profile data, sending group messages and event invitations, viewing profiles and extracting data, etc. You'll need to create a profile on LinkedIn Helper and log in with your LinkedIn account, and you can add proxies to change IPs for each profile. After the 14-day trial, you can choose to purchase a standard or pro license with different subscription durations. Next, the third tool I want to introduce is Dripify. Similar to the previous tools, Dripify allows you to connect your LinkedIn account and run multiple automation campaigns. You can choose templates based on different goals, such as lead generation, recruitment, building connections, or increasing engagement. Each campaign category comes with its own sub-campaigns. These campaigns are structured as sequences of actions, and you can customize them based on your needs. I find Dripify offers a wide variety of campaigns, making it suitable for different use cases. On the dashboard, Dripify summarizes metrics such as the number of invitations, messages, emails sent, and total profiles visited. Dripify offers a 7-day free trial, after which you can choose from 4 pricing plans ranging from $60 to $100. Next is a tool that combines account management with automation that you shouldn't miss, Expandi. Some of Expandi's standout features include smart automation, sending automated message sequences, follow-ups, and interacting with posts. Automatically inserting the customer's name or profile picture into a fun image in messages to increase personalization. Simulating human behavior and limiting the number of messages sent per day. And especially, you can manage multiple LinkedIn accounts on a single dashboard. Expandi offers a 14-day free trial, after which you can choose monthly or yearly subscription plans depending on your needs. The fifth tool I want to mention is Waalaxy. I find this tool has 2 standout features. Bypassing LinkedIn limits, allowing you to send 500 to 700 connection requests per week, while LinkedIn limits it to 100, by leveraging email-based sending. And running automation based on different goals, such as job searching, finding clients, finding partners, etc. If you want to reach a large number of prospects, Waalaxy does this job quite well. You can try the tool before purchasing, and the pricing is more affordable than many others, ranging from $19 to $69. If you're planning to scale and manage a large number of LinkedIn accounts, you can check out HeyReach. Key features of this tool include Unibox, consolidates inboxes from 10, 20, or 50 LinkedIn accounts into a single screen, letting you reply like using Messenger. Account rotation, automatically rotates accounts. If account A hits its daily limit, it switches to account B to continue. Safe scaling, helps you scale outreach to thousands of people per day without overloading any single account. I find this tool quite useful for teamwork, tracking, and management. You can check HeyReach pricing here. Overall, the pricing is slightly higher than average, but it comes with many powerful features. Have you noticed a common issue with all these tools? If you run multiple LinkedIn accounts on the same device, your accounts can easily get banned. The reason is LinkedIn can detect and link these accounts through browser fingerprinting. And when running automation, LinkedIn may classify it as spam behavior. If one account gets banned, other accounts sharing the same IP and device may also get banned. And Hidemyacc is the tool I want to introduce to help solve this problem. Hidemyacc is not a LinkedIn-specific automation tool but an anti-detect browser that helps you manage multiple accounts on a single device. Hidemyacc works by creating browser profiles with completely different fingerprints such as operating system, browser, fonts, screen resolution, etc. You can run automation across multiple Hidemyacc profiles while maintaining isolated environments, reducing the risk of bans due to shared IP or device detection. Hidemyacc also provides automation features that support creating different types of scripts based on your needs. There are 3 ways to create scripts on Hidemyacc. First is drag and drop using available commands, from opening websites to entering account information. Second is importing custom-coded scripts. And finally, recording real actions on websites and exporting them into scripts. Depending on your needs, you can choose one of these 3 methods to create your own workflows. Hidemyacc also provides an API, so you can connect with third-party apps to run automation on Hidemyacc profiles. That's a wrap on the top 7 most effective LinkedIn automation tools. When running automation, to minimize the risk of account bans, you should distribute activity over time for each account and avoid excessive actions that may trigger LinkedIn's detection. If you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.